Rarely do I break sticks.
Nagda-drums ka for E-heads and Ultra Combo. Meron ka bang, gano'ng karaming sticks meron mo? Nakabali ka ba during the set?
Yan ang magandang tanong. Hindi.
Never?
Rarely.
Is that, I think that's good? Or
It's good, but it's rarely do I break sticks. Kasi sinabihan ako ni Robin Rivera, our producer. Back in the day pa, matagal na. Kasi 'di ba, syempre nung bata ka, punks lang lahat, malakas lang lahat, walang soft, lahat malakas. Binabash mo lang lahat kasi yun yung nakita mo sa video, hindi mo alam na acting lang pala yun. Sabi niya, it's all physics. Parang if there's a snare and then it's the most stick then you can land on that drum head and out of it as fast as you can, dun galing yung sound. Anything more would break the stick or the head. Diba? Just like, pag pumalakpak ka, the more skill